Hey guys, Jeff Sokol with HybridTech Energy. I'm making a lot of gas here. You see how this connected straight into my torch? We're running a lot of amps. But it's on 12 volts, so we're expecting that. And I don't have a PWM or anything on this unit. But we're gonna see what kind of cutting torch it makes. So I'll set you up right here. Get you a little closer to the action. All right. Guys are making a lot of gas. You guys see that? Yeah. Now this is off my truck. Realize this is the gas coming straight off my truck. Off of only of our 21 plate cell. So I probably need a little bigger cell for push as much gas through it. But we'll light her up, see how it goes. See how slag is melting back together. I don't have any oxygen hooked up to it to blow it away. So it's just melting together. But as you can see clearly that it makes short work of this steel. This is just for the 21 plate unit on my truck. It's spitting a little bit. Not perfect, but that's just for the 21 plate unit on my truck, as you can see. Producing a lot of gas, maybe a little too much. Anyway, you get the idea. See right here. This is 5/16 steel rod, stainless. See how long it takes to cut stainless steel rod. It's a lot harder than regular steel. It's willing to cut. I have a little trouble cutting that stainless. Try a regular steel rod, 1/4 inch regular steel. cut it pretty easily. Go. Cut in a few seconds once it got hot. Ideally in this situation, I'd want to send this gas through a dryer first. But as we have it set up right now, it's coming straight out of the bubbler with a flashback arrestor on it. Well, out of the reservoir actually with a flashback arrestor on it. Then going through my bubbler. But I trust the flashback arrestor pretty much. This is not small steel, guys. This is very strong stuff. This is what makes shelving units out of the heavier stuff you buy at Lowe's. See where I get it? See that? I don't know if you can see that right there. That's it. As you can see, the advantages of working with HHO is that there's no exhaust gases here. Only water vapor. Only water vapor. So as you see, something like this may not be ideal for heavy industrial cutting for such a, because I only have a 21 plate cell on here, guys. Got to remember that. Or anybody 21 plate cell, but with these kind of production levels, it would be really great for soldering and some plumber work and stuff like that. And we're going to put a bigger unit on here later on that'll show what it'll really do with our, we have a 42 plate cell also. Big 42 plate. This is coming off a straight 12 volt off my truck. Oh. Dangerous. See what it does to granite. Almost immediately it's melting down that granite pretty hard. That's ceramic. Completely sublimate ceramic and it'll make it actually turning kind of glassy right there in that spot once it's cooled. Anyway, guys, of proud of it. Good little production off a 21 plate cell out of a pickup truck. That's it. You guys have fun, be careful, make sure you wear your safety goggles, all that stuff.